Hello everybody, my name is Chaitan and welcome back to TRI. You don't know me, or at least I haven't been in any of our normal lecture or debate type videos, which normally star one of these three people, but today I am going to be here. Once again, my name is Chaitan, and I manage all of the behind the scenes tech type things here at TRI, so making sure our videos get up onto YouTube in the clean and polished form that they do. And speaking of clean and polished, today in this video we're going to be going over the 10 big things that we are changing at TRI just to make our design and our feel a lot more modernized, clean, and polished. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Number one on the list is that cool thing you just saw, that brand new intro animation and its location in the video. Before, we had this boring, simple intro animation which we just slapped in front of every single video and called it a day. But now we have this clean, smooth animation, which we put now after like about a 15-20 second intro statement from the speaker to make things flow a bit better. So hopefully you enjoy that. Number two on the list is a brand new channel banner. So if you go onto the channel now, you can see a new banner with a new font for the text, a new layout for different elements, and we do want to keep the same logo and theme colors for now, so those are staying the same, but other than that, it just looks a bit more polished and clean, so that is another new thing. Number three is a new video style, and what I mean by that is the new kind of feel of our videos, the new style that we're going for, and the way the videos flow. So you can see a clear difference between our previous video lectures and this video right here, where in this one we have a lot more of the camera shot. Normally you would see my face a lot more, whereas in the previous videos it would just be the presentation screen and then a webcam plopped down in the bottom right corner or something like that, and the speaker speaking in a monotonous kind of factual tone, whereas now we're actually trying to engage with you guys and have a bit more emotion. And so also in our videos you'll be seeing a lot more B-roll, and if you're not sure what B-roll means, well, basically A-roll is this stuff you're seeing now, the main headshot of the speaker, and B-roll would be the supplementary footage that you're kind of seeing on the screen now. Any kind of extra footage or stock photos and things like that that come onto the screen to help supplement whatever the speaker is talking about and try and make their point a bit more clear. Additionally, we might use more varied layouts of the video, so we would have maybe the camera here and a presentation there, and then maybe put these here, stuff like that. So you might just see a bit more of a polished and clean video style going forward. Number four, along with the new video style that we're going for, we need to pair it with a new lecture template. And so we actually have two lecture templates that we're going to use going forward, but right now only one is fully completed. So you might see this lecture template on the screen right now used in a few of our videos, and then a different one which we're still kind of preparing and getting ready for usage. And the second template is just going to be a bit more professional and a serious kind of tone. Number five on the list is more diversified content. So right now we're just kind of doing a lot of lectures and kind of boringer videos, but now we want to get into videos like this where we're just kind of talking to you about certain topics. We have a cool day in the life video of a student coming out soon, so stay tuned for that. And if you don't want to miss it, make sure you go down below, subscribe, and turn on the bell to make sure you catch all our future video uploads. And if you like these types of videos and you like what we're doing here, hit the like button as well. It really helps us out. Number six, to keep up with all of the major changes that we're making around here, we need to upgrade our tech as well. And that's the side of things which I more specialize in. So that would be our lighting, our camera, our audio equipment, just generally bringing up the quality of our videos. And let me just quickly go over why this is so important. So most people actually think the number one most important thing in video filming is actually the camera. And I'm going to tell you right now that that is completely false. In order of importance in video filming, the number one most important thing is audio. Number two is lighting. And number three is the camera, and I'll show you why. Audio is the most important because that's what binds the video together. A video is a compilation and series of shots or different footage that you put together, and the audio is what stays consistent throughout. So if you make the audio good, the entire video is just going to be so much better because that's what holds the entire thing together. Number two is lighting, and number three is the camera, and I'm going to kind of talk about this at the same time. no matter how expensive your camera is, if you don't have the right lighting, the shot is just not gonna look good, and I'll show you what I mean. So I don't have a, $5,000 US DSLR setup here, but if I did, I would show you the direct comparison between what I'm using now, which is my phone to film, and the DSLR. So you can go online and see so many different comparisons with how lighting affects each shot, but I'll just show you right now. I'm using an iPhone 7 camera on the backside to shoot this footage right now. And no matter what camera you use, again, the lighting is just going to be the most important thing relative to that. So right now I have good lighting, I have some natural lighting here, I have some studio lights up here, and my camera is the phone that I'm using. I'm also using a Blue Yeti to record my audio. And this is what the video looks like and sounds like with no lighting at all, using the same exact camera, my phone, and using the camera audio. So it's really, really a big difference. You can tell how much of a change that the audio and lighting makes in a video. And so you can see right there just from the comparison that no matter what camera you're using, the audio and the lighting are the two most important things when filming a video. Number 7 is a new, or a kinda new, upload schedule. And what I mean by that is, in the summer we've been putting out 2 videos a week every Wednesday and Saturday, or at least trying to keep up with that. And before that we were putting out 1 video a week for a while. And now that we're getting back into school, we're thinking about ramping it back down to 1 video a week for now. And as soon as we get another editor on the team, we'll be able to crank out that 2 videos a week again. So just stay tuned. We'll update you along the way for our upload schedule. But for now, I think we're going with 1 video per week. And again, as soon as we get that other editor, 2 videos a week. So if you are interested in an editor position, then feel free to reach out to any of our social media platforms, links down below, as well as our email, taiwanrationalinstitute@gmail.com. Number 8 is social media and a brand new website. We want to be a lot more interactive and active on all of our social media platforms, so Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, all those cool things. And we have a new website in the works coming out soon, so make sure you stay tuned for that. That'll have all of our videos, our mission statements, and personal bio sections for all of us here at TRI, so you get to meet us. Number 9 is audience and interactivity. We want to hear your feedback and your suggestions. We make sure to read all of our comments and heart them and, reply. So make sure, if you have any suggestions at all, leave them in the comments down below. We want to make these videos as best as possible for you guys, because you are our number 1 priority. And number 10, the big thing that this video has been building up to, which may or may not, disappoint you, but it's just the new outro. Along with the new intro, we have a new outro, so you'll be able to see it at the end of this video. I'm not going to play it right now because it's going to end in like 20 seconds. But yeah, that is going to wrap up this video, just going over the main top 10 things that we're changing here at TRI to make things a lot more clean, polished, and modernized. So once again, thank you guys for coming on over to today's video. And as always, we hope to see you in future videos.